Hello users, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, let's see how you can open a free account through Investmentz. First of all, just visit investment.com website. As soon as you visit the website, you'll get this page. Here, just click on open a free account. Here, just click on create a new account. Now, you need to enter your email ID and mobile number to verify it through OTP. After verifying it, just click on continue. Then you need to provide your personal details, your bank details and your document. Here, first of all, you need to select the segment as per your choice. Then, if you have a Demat account, then you can click on no and give your existing Demat account details. And if you want to open a new Demat account, just click on yes. At the end, just click on save and proceed. Now, you need to upload your documents. First of all, let's upload your passport size picture. If picture is good to go, just click on write. Similarly, upload your PAN card. Now it will automatically fetch your PAN card details, and if some of the details are not fetched, you can enter manually. Similarly, upload your Aadhaar card front side and also back side. Then you need to upload your cancel check. It will automatically fetch your account number, and if not, you just need to enter your account number manually. Similarly, upload your signature. That's it, you have successfully uploaded all your documents. Now just click on save and proceed. Here it will automatically fetch all personal details, and if some of the details are not fetched, you just need to enter it manually. If your correspondence address is same as above, just click on yes. At the end, just click on save and proceed. Now you need to enter your bank details. After entering bank details, just click on save and proceed. Now you need to provide your investment account and factor details. At the end, just click on save and proceed. Now you need to enter your nominee details. You can add up to 3. While entering your nominee details, make sure you add the percentage of full. If your nominee is below 18, then you also need to enter the guardian details. If you wish to add third nominee and second nominee, you can add the same, and if not, just click on save and proceed. Now you also need to submit your trading details. You can change as per your choice. At the end, just click on save and proceed. Now it's time for an IPV video. It's better you read this instruction before recording an IPV video. Make sure you're handled with your Aadhaar card and PAN card. To start an IPV video, you just click on IPV. Make sure there is enough lighting in the room and just click on I am ready. If you are ready, just click on start button. Now you need to read out this number loudly. 859617. My name is Mansi Khakharia. This is my Aadhaar card front side. This is my Aadhaar card back side. And this is my PAN card. Make sure all the details are clearly visible in the camera when you are showing it. You just need to wait for 30 seconds to get complete. Similarly, you just need to check your video, and if it's good to go, just click on good to go. or else you can retake the same. After completing IPV video, just click on continue button. Now you just need to click on generate PDF. To view your PDF, just click on display PDF. Then to complete the e-sign process, select any of the above and click on e-sign. With just these two steps, you can easily complete your e-sign process. You will be redirected to the NSDL website. Here, just give your consent and enter your Aadhaar card number. Then just click on send OTP. You will receive OTP on your Aadhaar registered mobile number. Just enter your OTP here. Just click on verify OTP. That's it, you are good to go with your e-sign process. To get your downloaded PDF, you just need to click here. With this, you can review your whole account opening PDF. That's it, you are done with your account opening process. It will just take couple of hours to open your account. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such informative videos, hit the subscribe button and bell icon. See you in the next video.